Hello and welcome to the Homo Being. Today we are talking about the human computer of India. Well, I'm sure you haven't guessed the name yet. It's Shakuntala Devi. A mathematician, a writer, an astrologer, and a politician, she was truly a multifaceted personality. She holds the Guinness World Record for multiplying two 13-digit numbers in just 28 seconds. She gave the 23rd root of a 201-digit number in just 50 seconds, which was even faster than the then available computer UNIVAC, which took 52 seconds. For a girl born in 1929 to a Hindu Brahmin family in Bangalore, it all began when young Shakuntala Devi started demonstrating her arithmetic skills in street shows with her father. She later went to the Mysore University, and the rest is just history. Once, she also stood as an independent candidate in the 1980 Lok Sabha elections against Indira Gandhi. But there is more to her story. Let's find out. In mid-1960s, Shakuntala Devi married Paritosh Banerjee, an IAS officer from Kolkata. Everything went well until Banerjee's sexual preferences came to light. Paritosh was a gay man. It came as a shock to her, but she rose above it and decided to study the plight of homosexual individuals in India. While still in marriage with Paritosh, she started speaking to members of gay community hidden behind the closet. She also began documenting their experiences, expectations from society, and subdued manner in which they had to live. In 1977, her book called The World of Homosexuals was released. It was the first Indian book that not only talked about homosexuality but also adopted a scientific approach to the theme. The book includes interviews with Indian homosexual men like the gay temple priest in Tamil Nadu with same-sex couple from Canada. Shakuntala Devi later divorced her husband in 1979 and also had a daughter called Anupama Banerjee from the marriage. Upon being questioned about her qualification to write the book on such topic, she only replied by saying she is human and that is the only qualification she has. While Shakuntala Devi is well remembered for her books on arithmetics, astrology, and mathematical puzzles, it is disheartening that despite being praised for the book by her contemporaries in other countries, the world of homosexuals is not talked about at all in India. A new movie titled Shakuntala Devi starring Vidya Balan is expected to release in mid-2020 on web streaming platforms. It will be interesting to see how the homosexual theme of her 1977 book will be unraveled, if it is unraveled at all. Shakuntala Devi was the human computer, but she herself despised the title because she felt that humans are way smarter than computers. I believe she is truly the role model that Indian women need. So that's it for today. If you have any fun video ideas for our channel, please let us know in the comment section below, and do not forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel, The Homo Being.